Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use the Grammarly extension to check your spelling and grammar. So first you need to open your browser, and if you are in the documents and want to check your spelling, so go to the extension icon at the upper right corner and click manage extensions. Then in here, just go tap the three lines at the upper left corner and click Open Chrome Web Store. And in here, search Grammarly. Then click the extension and add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. You can see now Grammarly has been downloaded on my computer. And then just see how it works. So you see now that Grammarly works on my computer. Just hover it, then click the correct word order. And that's it. That's how to use the Grammarly extension to check your spelling and grammar. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.